Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make your phone faster. These will be the easiest ways that work. Let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. I'll be going over 6 easy ways that you can make your phone faster, and they will work. Now, the good thing about these methods is that they are sort of universal, and you can basically use them for basically all modern phones. So hopefully you can make use of them and make your phone faster. Without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. Starting off with number one. Number one is restart the phone. Sometimes you have to restart your phone just to get it to run faster because maybe there's a whole bunch of stuff that's sort of caught up in it. Think about like when you have like think about restarting your phone as like clearing like an air filter. So it allows the air to move freely. On occasion, your phone will retain things that will slow it down. Imagine that as like a dirty air filter. And when you restart your phone, you clear your air filter, you clean your air filter, which allows the air to flow freely, which is basically just like metaphorically speaking, it is making your phone faster. You're sort of clearing anything that might be clogging up the speed of your phone. Think about it like that. Does it work every time? No, but it should be the first plan of attack, meaning if your phone is running slowly, restart it. It's the first thing that you should try immediately. If there's anything wrong with your phone, like glitching or anything like that, your immediate response should be to restart it. It's always the first thing that you should try as a rule of thumb when it comes to phones and even most modern technological devices. Restarting them is just a key thing to hopefully get them to work properly once again and get them to work fast once again. Anyways, moving on to number two. Number two is get rid of unused apps. If you have apps on your phone that you haven't used in a long time or that you're not going to use, then you should get rid of them. They take up space, they take up memory, they take up, even screen space. They just increase the likelihood that your phone is going to run slower. Now, some apps take up virtually nothing, other apps take up a ton. So in terms of space, memory, and resources from your phone, right? So your best bet is if there's an app that you don't use, whether it only is small and takes up barely anything or it's big and it takes up a ton of resources, just get rid of it. If you don't use the app, get rid of it. Simple as that. Okay, it'll help your phone run faster. Moving on to number three. Number three is stop background processes and apps. So oftentimes, depending on your phone, you might have apps that are running in the background or processes that are running in the background. Okay, processes that are running in the background. I'm not sure if it's processes or processes. No, you might have apps or processes that are running in the background. Anyways, you get the idea, okay? You want to stop them or close them because if they're running in the background, there's a chance that they're making your phone slower. If it's one minor thing that's running in the background, it might not slow down your phone that much. But if you have like 10 decently sized apps or processes that are running in the background, then they're going to likely slow down your phone. So stop them or close them. Just stop them from running in the background in general, and your phone should get faster. Moving on to number four. Number four is update your operating system. If your operating system is out of date, it might be slowing down your phone. Firstly, because the operating system might be out of date, so everything is going to be struggling to run on that operating system. All the apps, might be updated, but it's going to be harder to run those newer apps on your older operating system. And secondly, they might have made improvements on the operating system, so you might not be benefiting from those improvements, which means that you are lacking the improvements, which means that your phone's running slower because it doesn't potentially have the improvements. Potentially, not for sure, but it might run slower because it doesn't have those improvements. And lastly, because that operating system update might be waiting in the background to be installed, right? It might be waiting there, running in the background, not running, but it might be waiting to be installed in the background, which will make your phone run slower because there's something happening in the background. So it might just be waiting for you to install it in the background. The new operating system might be waiting for you to install it in the background, which will make your phone run slower. All right, moving on. So update your operating system. That's a key factor to getting your phone to run faster. If your phone can handle it, if it's new enough to handle it, then definitely get the newest operating system that you can run on your phone. It should help you speed it up. Okay, for the most part, I've heard stories where it makes the phone slower because it's like now your operating system is bigger and has more stuff going on. But for the most part, most of the big phone companies know which operating system you can go up to on your phone while not making it slower. So they'll give you usually they'll make sure you get the benefits, but not the cons. You get the pros, but not the cons. So yeah, like I said, use your judgment, but updating your operating system can be a good way to try to hopefully get your phone to run faster. Anyways, moving on to number 5. Number 5 is free up storage space. So if you have lots of old videos and pictures on your phone and all sorts of stuff that you've stored, documents, whatever it is, animations, apps, whatever, having not a lot of storage space on your phone available means your phone's going to run slow, plain and simple. Okay. So if you have only a little bit of the storage space taken, you have like 90% of your phone free, then you're probably okay. But if you only have like 10% of your storage space free, then freeing up some of your storage space will I don't want to say definitely, but will likely make your phone run faster. Okay. So free up some storage space. It should help you speed up your phone. Last but not least for this video is number 6. Number 6 is use static wallpapers instead of live ones. Now, most people don't use live wallpapers, but using live wallpapers, for the people that do use them, using live wallpapers will slow down your phone. It's likely to slow down your phone because there's always something happening on your phone. So by using a static wallpaper instead of a live one, you're reducing the load on your phone, which will therefore hopefully likely make it run faster. And that's it. You want to speed up your phone and make your phone faster. These have been 6 things that will hopefully help you do that. Yeah, I got nothing else to say. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, but I got nothing else to say. Hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial and you can make your phone run faster using these little tips, tricks, and pieces of advice. But with that being said, I actually have nothing else to say, so we're going to officially roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.